Good afternoon. I'm here with Peter Hurwitz from Envision Bank, and we're here to talk about applying for a mortgage. If you're looking for that house, whether it's down the Cape or whether it's up in Central Mass, you're probably going to need to apply for a mortgage unless you're a cash buyer, and you need to talk to someone like Peter, who is a mortgage expert. Thank you for being here today, Peter.
Thanks, Dave, for having me.
When I applied for my first mortgage, I needed, a million pay stubs. I needed back income tax records. I think I had to give a blood sample. Have things changed since then?
Things have changed drastically. Today, the typical documentation we need would be recent pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, a driver's license. A lot of times, income can actually be documented electronically. There's a database available to lenders where many employers automatically give us everything we need. If you're self-employed, then we typically need to do a tax return analysis. But it really is pretty simple.
So it's been streamlined quite a bit from, say, 20 years ago.
Absolutely.
Could you give us a few quick do's and don'ts when you're applying for a mortgage?
Definitely. The most important thing is just use common sense and communicate with your lender. If there's anything about your situation that raises a red flag, ask. Don't change jobs midstream without communicating that. Don't open new credit accounts. Don't have a lot of people running your credit. Don't transfer money back and forth between accounts and create large deposits. Those are the
red flags, so to speak.
The red flags, yeah.
If someone wanted to apply for a loan, could they call you and could you assist them in the matter without formally applying, make sure they get all their ducks in a row, so to speak?
Absolutely. So we can do kind of an informal, just go over income, debts. I can often do that without running a credit report to just get them on track. Okay. We'd need to pull a full credit report to do an actual pre-approval.
Okay. And you could also probably give them an idea of what they could afford, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay. So it's very important that they know what they can afford before they go house shopping.
Very important to know what they can afford, and even more important to know what they're truly comfortable with.
Great. Obviously, we can't cover everything in this short video. If people have questions, I'd suggest that you call myself, Dave Fisher, Peter Hurwitz at Envision Bank. Thank you. Thank you, Peter.